internal symbol. This one is for shape, round shape or something. And this one, this part, corresponds to, for example, taste. And this one is color and smell, like that smell. And then by checking this conditional part, the target symbols is banana, apple, pear, or whatever. Okay, so by using these input symbols, incoming persistent information, okay, and checking this conditional probability, this one, cogent, the highest one, should be selected as an hypothesis. So in this configuration, in this mechanism also, definitely we will have to have this conditional probability in between input symbols and target symbols, increment symbols. However, in human, we do not care about this conditional probability at all. Okay? We do not calculate this conditional probability in between this one and this one. So, anyhow, this one has some problems. So, anyhow, nonetheless, this one is cogent. This conditional probability can be simplified like so. Eventually, this one conditional probability between target symbol and input symbol, and by using this multiplication, the highest one is usually selected as a conclusion. So, motivated by his research of configuration, actually he applied this idea to word testing, text wording. For example, I'm going to south, north, or east. The computer system make a decision which word is proper in a sentence. Okay, so for that purpose, he used this idea, but as soon as I hear his idea and heard this idea at the time, I thought of this idea. I applied it to the behavior selection mechanism. This one is the target symbols behaviors such as sleeping, eating, and barking, considering the canine animal, dog. So this is the target symbols. There are possible candidates of behaviors in here. And I classify two memories. And the first one is the memory one is on context, so when, where, what. And memory two is internal states. So the relationship between morning and sleeping, the conditional probability can be assigned. For example, afternoon and sleeping behavior. By assigning these conditional probability, we can apply this cogent configuration scheme for this given selection mechanism. So at that time, I classify this context information when, where, what. And this memory to the conditional information, conditional probability in between homeostasis and these behaviors, and motivation and emotion. By calculating these cogents, the highest one is selected as a suitable one at this situation. This internal state, this internal willingness, and this external information. By integrating, coordinating this information and this information, we can select a final desired one. So at the time, I proposed this one as a two-layer configuration scheme. It was published in article presentations 2006 in July. I attended this conference, and I came back from this conference. And November 2006, I submitted the paper within a format with some experiments by using this idea, and published November 2008 as a full paper. So this year I proposed another new idea. It was based on mechanism. Because human beings do not using this kind of conditional probability. Instead, we are using, partial evaluation values of target symbols over input symbols with respect to degree of consideration for internal states and context stored in the module. So it means, we have some, experience in between input symbols and target symbols. So this is, we call it, partial evaluation. Not a probability. The value should be in between 0 to 1. And we are thinking of this degree of consideration for each input symbols. Checking this degree of consideration and also this memory information, partial evaluation, we finally decide the best. And by integrating this partial evaluation, memory information, with respect to the degree of consideration used. So I proposed this idea previously and submitted this Monday. So Fuzzy integral is employed as a global evaluation to select the proper behavior. So the same similar one was used to select a proper behavior. Okay, so these informations are stored in the long-term memory by changing the degree of consideration. The other behavior shall be selected. While by using this learning module, by changing these information, we can expect the proper behavior. So this one shows the behavior application to behavior selection. It's somehow complicated, but the basics is quite simple. In the long-term memory, the degree of consideration for fields and elements is provided as a memory contents, and we have some partial evaluation values or behaviors over fields, elements, and the degree of consideration for context. We have some partial evaluation values or behaviors over context, and working memory to select with some recommended behaviors. In this working memory, some candidate behaviors are stored in short memory. So, Fuzzy measure, degree of consideration is represented by Fuzzy measure, and similarly, we use two integrals, Fuzzy integrals for this wheel-based evaluation. Okay, and also again context-based evaluation by using the degree of consideration. And also partial evaluation in between behaviors and context. So these two Fuzzy integrals are for global evaluation. Global here means partial evaluation and current degree of consideration. And finally, by using algorithm, using this candidate behaviors, we select the final one. So this week, quite recently, I provide this paper and some scale. Anyhow, we have some more detailed information here, but just this one is this code is mainly for introducing my research outcomes to you. So I selected some of them, and this one is quite some abstract version of this ego-space mechanism of thought. I was trying to mimic the human mechanism of thought by using current technology, mathematical equations. So this one is not using this one, but this one was provided by using two-layer configuration architecture. So some artificial features living in this virtual world, and this system, Sobat making its own decision on a proper behavior at this current moment. And the other one is the social intelligence. Social intelligence mainly for the natural interaction with human beings. So this one was provided some 2 years ago. It shows some interactions with